welcome to another driving through Jamaica. Today's journey will take us from Sandy Park Road to Charlton Alley in ShortWood. Now, it's a really easy drive, this one. Like most of my drives are easy drives, guys, but yeah, it's an easy drive because it's a weekend, so it's a pretty easy drive. I don't expect much traffic or anything like that, so let's take on the road. All right, and I hope you enjoy. So guys, I don't know this area, and guess what? I don't know how to exit. I wouldn't say I'm lost, but because I have a sense of direction, so I know where I want to go to, but it's just that I turned on this road and it's a dead end, so I have to turn back and find my way out. But yeah, as I said, I wouldn't say that I'm lost because I know where I want to go to. So yeah, let's see how long I take to make it out of this this community right here. One thing for sure though, guys, like these uptown communities, they're really nice, and they're quiet too, you know. If you're from the downtown area like myself, you know, or the middle class sections, middle class communities like myself, then you know it's a different thing whenever you come to these communities, because as they say, if you, like, you can hear a pin drop, they're really quiet, you know. Yeah. But it's really nice and refreshing to drive through places like these, and you know, just to see and just to experience the whole atmosphere, the whole ambience and everything. You know, it's really nice, very refreshing and relaxing as well. Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, then I want to say thank you very much for watching, okay? And if you're not living in Jamaica and there's somewhere that you would like to see me drive through, then just put it in the comment section and I'll make it happen, all right? And guys, please, if it is even to say hello or hi or leave an emoji in the comment, just do that and I'll talk back to you, okay? I want to know who's watching my videos. I want to know where you're from and all the good stuff, all right? So talk to me and I'll respond. Okay guys? So guys, we're about 30 seconds to a minute away from our destination. So with that being said, you know, we've come to the end of this journey. All right, so the video will end, but we can continue the conversation over in our chat group. That's over on Telegram. The link will be in the description, okay? All you have to do is just click on the link and it will take you right over to the chat group. All I ask for over there, guys, is just respect, okay? Just be respectful over there. You can talk about anything in the chat group, guys. Like, it's an open conversation over there, okay? So feel free to come on over and have a conversation. As I said, Telegram is a messaging app just like WhatsApp, but it allows you to keep your phone number private. All right, so you can chit chat with everyone, but while keeping your phone number private, unless you decide to share your phone number. Okay, so come on over there and let's have a conversation over there. All right, and guys, until our next drive through Jamaica, be safe.